People nowadays love how the world works. Well, everything works on an instant recipe, from foods to health remedies. Every person in the world wants an instant solution to their problems or health conditions. We all need instant solutions for our problems, especially for appearance problems, just like weight and skin repair. Some women, who have overweight problems, have real difficulties in life to get ready for any type of occasion. It's because they are embarrassed about the way they look. In this video, we are going to show you the best overnight liquid balm that will burn that fat tissue around your abdominal area. This amazing fat burning drink is extremely healthy and beneficial for burning fat around your belly. It's also very delicious. Overnight fat burning liquid balm recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of grapefruit juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. Directions: you need to put all the ingredients mentioned above in a blender. Mix until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. How to use it: you need to drink this amazing fat-burning drink before every meal. You will get the best results if you drink this drink before lunch and dinner, every day. After a week, you will see a big difference in your waistline. Many women, who have consumed this drink, have lost 1 centimeter of their waistline instantly. Well, can you believe what will happen if you drink it for 1 week? This amazing fat-burning drink works better than any other painful tricks. This drink actually works because it eliminates the excess fat deposit and water under your waist. Besides the fat-burning part, this drink is also extremely helpful for improving the brain function. Hearing aid improves your vision and memory booster. This is the best and complete refreshing drink. Some more benefits of grapefruit: a glass of grapefruit juice every morning could help you lose weight, according to Canadian research that has identified a fat-burning molecule in the fruit. Grapefruit. Naringenin, a flavonoid in grapefruit, balances out blood sugar levels and helps to prevent metabolic syndrome, a prediabetic condition associated with weight gain around the waist. Scientists at the University of Western Ontario found it worked by programming the liver to burn up excess fat, rather than store it. Asked to drink grapefruit juice before each meal, obese people lost 31.5–10 pounds over 3 months through this alone, according to a study at the University of California. Tip: begin your day with a glass of grapefruit juice to kickstart your liver into fat-burning mode. Check with your doctor if you are taking statins or warfarin, as drinking large amounts of grapefruit juice may interfere with these medications. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.